Stop using indicators that lie. You see a signal, you enter a trade, and then the signal disappears. Today, we fix that. This is a powerful, no-repaint trading strategy for TradingView that gives clear, reliable signals. Let's build it in under 60 seconds. First, open a 15-minute chart. We'll use EUR/USD. Go to Indicators and search for Zero Lag MA Trend Levels by Chart Prime. Add it to your chart. In the settings, change the length to 26. Click OK. Next, search for Honest High-Low Breaking Points Oscillator. In its settings, change the plot from histogram to area. That's it. Your chart is now ready. Now for the rules. For a buy signal, wait for 3 things. 1. The trend cloud must be green. 2. The oscillator below must be green. 3. A bullish candle must form. When all 3 align, enter the trade. Set your stop loss at the recent blue dot and aim for a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. For a sell signal, the rules are reversed. 1. The trend cloud must be blue. 2. The oscillator must be red. 3. A bearish candle must form. When confirmed, enter the trade. Set your stop loss at the recent green dot and target a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. Backtest this strategy to see its power. Remember, no strategy is 100% perfect. Always manage your risk. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more simple and effective trading strategies. Thanks for watching.